Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Sony PlayStation 5. And even before I start, I want to say that this video was almost impossible to make because I don't even have a lens wide enough to shoot this huge box. However, I got the PS5 and I need to show my people the PS5. So we are here trying our best to cram things into the frame. Also, this is the first video I am standing up to shoot, so I'm pulling out all the stops to make sure I bring this video to my people. So it will mean a lot to me if you can just smash that like button, share this video, and most importantly, please subscribe. Let's get to the video. So if you follow me on social media, then you know that my birthday was on 25th of January and I got the PS5 as a gift. So the only reason I have a PS5 and you don't is because you don't have friends. Sorry. On the front of the box, you have that Age of Ultron PlayStation 5. The box is a bit damaged, but I do not care. You have PS5 written here, and here we have 8K, 4K 120, that's 120 frames per second, and I have HDR. On the back of the box, play like never before. Okay, sure, I'll do that. 825 gigabytes, I believe that's the only model, and the actual storage inside is 667 gigs, I think. So here we have lightning speed, all that right in there, breathtaking immersion, and stunning games. And it's written there in so many other languages. Enough of this, let's get in. So inside of that box, we have another huge white box. So let's get into this one also. And is there another box? There's another box, I will lose my shit. Okay. Okay. So this seems to be an accessory box. So, okay. Open that up. We have the controller. Very nice. Looks really good. White and black panda, those new active triggers. Let's put this aside. We have the power cable in here, some literature no one will ever read, a lot of it. Opening this up, we have the stand in here. So here's that stand for standing it vertically or horizontally, and here we have what I believe should be our HDMI 2.1 cable. In here we have our Type-C cable to, of course, USB-A. Very nice. Nothing else in this box. Throw it away. I stood the box up to show you guys this. I'm sorry I'm not bringing the unboxing experience you deserve. I'm just trying to work with what I have. So I've pulled the egg crates out of the box, and let's just get our machine rid of this ridiculous thing that protected a lot. So this is why we are here in it. Ooh, this is nice. So here we add PlayStation 5 with that classic PlayStation logo there on the side. This is the front. We have that Age of Ultron design, and we have that USB Type A port, a Type-C port. We have an eject button, and of course the power button. And as you can see, this is the standard edition, which means I can play a disc here. In here we have the Sony logo, and I don't know if the camera is catching this, but the texture is actually circles, X's, boxes, and triangles that we know PlayStation 4. On the back of the device, we have that grille design, which is also the exhaust where the hot air comes out of the system from. And of course, here we have two USB Type A ports. They are blue, so I believe they are at least 3.0. Nice. Here we have the LAN or Ethernet port, and we finally have a HDMI 2.1 source. Very nice. And this, of course, is the power input. Funny story, I bought a PS5 controller a long time ago. I was just waiting for a price drop to get the console, and well, the console came to me. Anyways, let's unbox this. So in front, obviously, you can see the DualSense wireless for PS5. Better haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, which is really nice, built-in microphone, and signature comfort. In typical PlayStation fashion, inside one box, we have another box. You guys just like to stress us. Open that up. And in here, we have that controller, some literature which nobody is ever going to read. So let's take a closer look at the controller. White and black panda design following through from the PS5. I really like it. Does feel nice. These adaptive triggers feel really nice. Ooh. Up here you have that USB Type-C port. So these of course are the adaptive triggers, and I'll just give you an instance where it can apply, just a very random example. Let's say you are playing a racing game and you are using this as your acceleration. If your car gets damaged in the game, this button is going to be harder to press in real life. Or maybe you are running in a game and the character is getting tired. This is going to get harder to press. So it's going to be reflecting what is happening in the game in real life. For now, only a handful of games, take full advantage of this. However, with time, more developers will keep adding the adaptive trigger functionality to their games because it's a huge part of the PlayStation 5 experience. So anyways guys, if you like this video, please smash that thumbs up button. It helps me a lot as people find my videos more. Thank you very much. If you loved it and want to see more content like this, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.